I used to pull all-nighters trying to finish massive research papers and study for finals, but my brain would just shut down after hour 5. Then I found a tool that basically acts like a personal tutor team, letting me cross-reference the smartest brains on the planet in seconds to make sure my notes are actually right. So what exactly is Chatbot App AI? Think of it as a universal hub that gives you instant access to over 30 of the world's leading AI models. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more, all under one single plan, whether you're working through a project or just exploring new ideas. It's built to help you move faster and make smarter decisions. No more being locked into one model. And no more paying for multiple subscriptions just to get the best of everything. Now, let me show you exactly how useful this is for students, because this is where it gets interesting. So what we're doing here is uploading a PDF straight into the chat. This could be a textbook chapter, a study guide, lecture notes, anything really, like just drag it and it's ready to go. Now watch this. We're just going to ask it to generate 10 practice exam questions based on that document. And there it goes. So you can see it working through the material in real time, pulling out the key concepts and turning them into actual exam style questions. No copying and pasting, no. And these aren't generic questions either, right? Look at them. They're specific to the content in that document, which means you're practicing on exactly what matters for your exam rather than wasting time on stuff that won't come up. Now, here's where it gets even better. You can use the comparison feature to see how different models answer the same questions side by side. So if one explanation isn't clicking for you, you literally just look across and see how another model breaks it down. Some people get on better with one style of explanation over another, and now you've got all of them at your fingertips. The amount of time this saves when you're in revision mode is genuinely ridiculous. And if you want to try all of this yourself, you can get started right now for just $1. Full access, every model, no commitment. Now, let's talk money, because this is where Chatbot AI really makes sense. If you were to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, Claude Pro, and Gemini Advanced separately, you're looking at around $90 a month. Chatbot App AI gives you access to all of them for just $19.99 a month. For a student budget, that's a no-brainer, and there are no hidden fees, no surprise usage limits. What you see is what you get. One more thing worth mentioning. Your account works across every device you own. Start a conversation on your phone during your morning commute, and when you sit down with your laptop in the library, you pick up exactly where you left off. There's no native mobile app just yet, but the platform runs perfectly through any mobile browser, so it's always ready whenever you are. And start working smarter in 2026. Click the link in my description right now to start your $1 trial of Chatbot App AI and